All right, guys, we're gonna go inside. This is one of our short-term rental properties. As I mentioned before in some of my other videos, life as a short-term rental operator is not always sunshine and rainbows. If you recall, or if you follow my channel, you probably saw the flooding that we had here in Fort Lauderdale. This is one of the properties that had up to 5 feet of water in the units. We finally got all the adjusters to come in to look at all the stuff, and we're finally starting the repairs. Let's go inside to see what we got so far. We're actually going to start in the back unit because the back unit, we really haven't done much to it. We already started in the front unit, but just to give you an idea what we did back here. Again, as I mentioned, we had water that went as high as this. We did some flood mediation, mold mediation stuff work here. As you can see, we knocked down the drywall up to where the water line was. The first thing we did here, obviously, suck out all the water, put fans in here, dry everything out, and then it was just a matter of getting rid of all the stuff that wasn't useful anymore. Got very, very lucky. As you can see, the floor is still here. The tiles never lifted. Crossing our fingers that we don't have any issues in the future, but so far, it looks like we're not gonna have any issues. But this is where we're at right now in this stage. We already ordered the new cabinets that are gonna be coming in. We are gonna make some slight modifications if you come in here. This, as you can see from the outline, was the closet. We're gonna take it all out because instead of having the original closet that was there, we're gonna have one built in this wall. So it's gonna be completely different. So that's why we knocked it down. But that's really the only modification I'm gonna do on this side of the duplex. So now let's go so you can get a better idea of some of the work that's being done on the other side. This is what I mean that we got lucky over there and not so lucky here. We're gonna have to lift this floor up because I don't know if you can see from the video or hear it. All these tiles right here are loose because the water definitely got in, but the same thing, we cut it out. Now you can see we started replacing the drywall on this side. This is where the AC unit is, the wash and dryers here. Now we added, and you can't tell, but what we're gonna be doing is we're adding soundproofing material. Now that we have the opportunity to do so, soundproofing material between this wall, between this wall and that other wall, so it can create a barrier, a better barrier between these two apartments. Same thing here, well, unlike the other one where we saved the upper cabinets, in this kitchen we're not. We're just gonna do a whole brand new kitchen in this area here. Pretty much it. Hoping to be up and running within the next 4 weeks, depending on permits from the city, but we should be good to go.